Hola, it's Darko the Berry again. Today is something surprising. You see, we rappers will listen to rap music every single day, but right now I'm going to listen to one song by Busy Signal. It's called Perfect Spot. Do you love this kind of music? I actually fell in love with this one. Let's listen.
Yeah, baby. You don't have me life, want you back in my life. I feel make it right. I feel make it right. You don't have me life. I feel make it right. Yeah. Oh gosh, baby, come back. You know you're all that I've got. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Oh gosh, I can't deny the fact that you got the perfect spot. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. I'm not gonna lie to you. Me need you right back, and if me see you, then anybody would have fight for you. I saw me need your body right now. Give me back your loving, girl. Let's start over. Grow together and be much closer. You're out of range, me need you in a mirror. Come over. Oh gosh, baby, come back. You know you're all that I've got. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Oh gosh, I can't deny the fact that you got the perfect spot. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. How would you feel if you see your girlfriend with the next man? Me not lie, me feel like to cry. Me text her, me call her, me try to get her back in my life. Whatever me do, me apologize, baby. I feel express me feeling and reach out to you. Ask for you, oh gosh, baby, come back. You know you're all that I've got. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Oh gosh, I can't deny the fact that you got the perfect spot. Come on, girl. Come on, girl.
Yeah, that's it. Busy Signal, Perfect Spot. Drop the comments there. Tell me how you think about it. Keep it darker the berry. See ya.